To use a Doordash gift card, start by opening the Doordash app on your mobile device or accessing the Doordash website on your computer. Once you are logged into your account, navigate to the Account section, usually found at the top left corner of the screen. In the Account section, you will see a list of options, including a link to redeem a gift card. Click on this link to begin the redemption process. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. Enter the gift card number and PIN carefully, as you will not be able to redeem the card if the information is incorrect. Once you have entered the correct information, click the Redeem button to add the gift card balance to your Doordash account. After redeeming the gift card, you can use the balance to pay for your Doordash orders. To do this, simply place an order as you normally would, and when you get to the payment section, select the gift card option. The gift card balance will be applied to your order, and you will only be charged for any remaining balance due. It is essential to note that Doordash gift cards never expire, and you can use them to pay for any food delivery or pickup order from any restaurant available on the Doordash platform. However, gift cards are non-refundable, so make sure to use them before they are lost or misplaced. In addition to redeeming gift cards, you can also check your gift card balance at any time by navigating to the Account section and selecting the gift card option. This will show you the current balance on your gift card, as well as a history of any orders you have placed using the gift card. By following these simple steps, you can easily redeem and use your Doordash gift card to enjoy your favorite food from the comfort of your own home. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and use it before it is lost or misplaced. To get the most value out of your gift card,